The Southwest Tech logo animates onto a white background, featuring blue and gray shapes with a starburst design. A man in a tan polo shirt stands next to a yellow robotic arm on a wooden table, handling small blocks. Another man in a maroon shirt stands behind him. Text appears, Electro-Mechanical Technology.
3 out of the 4 that could do it here in the lab on our track, we're simulating a tray of parts, and from that tray of parts we're going to assemble an object.
Close-up of the man in the maroon shirt, watching the robotic arm. The robotic arm's gripper picks up a wooden block with the number 3 on it from a row of numbered blocks.
We are appliers of technology.
The robotic arm lifts a wooden block. The robotic arm places the block on top of another, beginning to stack them.
Basically what we do is we take all different technologies, whether it be electricity, electronics, computers, automation, pneumatics, hydraulics, machining, and blend it all together to solve problems in industry.
Stacks. The robotic arm continues stacking the blocks, forming a small tower. A bald man, Steve, identified as instructor, speaks directly to the camera in a room filled with electronics equipment.
We try and get them the education and the skills so that they can go out and get that first job.
The man in the maroon shirt, Don, identified as graduate, speaks directly to the camera in the same room. Don watches robots.
The highlight was definitely the robotics. You can basically take something that shouldn't move and make it do whatever you really want it to do.
Don opens a gray electrical control panel and points to various relays and components inside.
Yeah. Everything was so hands-on.
Points inside panel.
Timer relays.
Steve, the instructor, listens intently while Don gestures towards the control panel.
From my training here at school, I knew exactly what I had to do, and I knew all the components that we're using in our control panels. It was a really easy transition from school life to work life. Employers are looking for people with 2-year degrees because they have the hands-on experience.
The robot moves over. Steve and Don observe the robotic arm as it moves across the table.
It really opened up every door that you can think of as far as employment.
The video transitions back to the animated Southwest Tech logo, which remains on screen until the end. Southwest Tech logo appears.